this new video. Today I'm going to start the build series of my Husqvarna 125 that I have been talking about for some time on my Instagram. So today it's finally time to start the project and the build series. As you saw in the intro, I have some partners for this build and I'm super excited to have them supporting this project and for being a part of this build. The plan for today is to completely tear the bike apart so I can drop off the frame for powder coat. So let's start taking apart the bike. So now almost all the plastics are off. I also removed the tank and the muffler or silencer as you just saw. So now let's remove the rest of the pipe. As you can see, the exhaust is wrapped with something black. I have got a lot of questions what this is and why. I think the name of it is exhaust bandage. The reason I have put the exhaust bandage is because I have some dents in the exhaust, also a hole right here. I just wrapped it up to make it look a little bit better in the meantime. So that's the reason I have this exhaust bandage. But now I have a new exhaust from HGS, so that's going to be an insanely upgrade. This one is probably going to get thrown away. As you can see, even the mounting points on the exhaust is completely broken. I think this is a good time to drain the coolant as well. So let's do that. Let's see if we can do this without spilling everywhere. Okay, that wasn't much, but now it's empty at least. So now let's take off the last pieces of plastics and then take off the cooling system. So now the radiators and the cooling system is off and all the plastics. Let's continue with taking off the subframe. This bike I actually bought because I wanted to have a project, and this bike is definitely a project because it was left to, die or something. This is going to be a challenge to get this to the finish I want. And hopefully you're going to enjoy following the build series of me fixing up and rebuilding this bike. The engine is finally out of fighting with one of the engine bolts because it was really rusty. But now the engine is out, so let's continue by taking off the last pieces of the bike. And after that it's only the frame left, so we're getting close. Now the bike is completely disassembled. The engine is up on the engine stand and the frame is going to be dropped off for powder coat. I've got all the parts laying around. I'm going to put them to the side for now because in the next episode of the build series I'm going to tear down the engine and swap out some of the parts like connecting rod bearings, the piston, and look it over as well to see if anything is damaged or needs to be replaced. I'm also going to do some Cerakoting to the engine. I'm excited to see how that will turn out. I have some stick plans for it. But that has been it for the first episode of the build series. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below as well, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of the build series. Yeah, that has been it for this video. Thanks for this time. See you in the next one. Peace.